Save for. Save on. Save from. Say against. Say for. Say to. Search for. Seek for. Seek. Seem to. Send for. Send. Send to. Sentence to. Separate from. Shoot at. Shout at. Shout to. Show. Show to. Smell of. Smile at. Speak about. Speak to. Specialize in. Spend on. Split into. Spy on. Stare at. State to. Stick to. Stop somebody from doing something. Strive for. Study for. Study. Subject somebody to. Submit to. Subscribe to. Succeed in. Suffer from. Suggest to. Suit. Supply with. Surrender to. Surround by, with. Suspect of. Sympathize with.